Hi everybody, welcome to week 3 of Principles of Sociology. Hope you've had a good week so far on Tuesday. Hope you're able to enjoy your weekend. Just wanted to kind of go over some things for this week, make sure there are no questions, and also alleviate any issues. As I know most of you were out of school last week, so for Chapter 1, it's still open. We'll be open for the rest of this week up until Sunday, so you have plenty of time to complete all of your activities for the week. A quiz, and a discussion question, and assignment. So, be working on those things. And then also for this week, same thing. It's all set up Monday, Wednesday, Friday. On Thursday, your quiz will open. You can take it. And on Wednesday, you have a writing assignment discussion question. I just want to kind of go over the assignment for Wednesday, the writing assignment, and basically just kind of make sure everyone understands what I'm asking. It says the United States is classified as a post-industrial society. This exercise asks you to go to the Bureau of Labor's website and look at the demographic characteristics of the U.S. labor force. When you get to the website, look for demographics in the column on the left side of the screen and click on demographic characteristics of the U.S. labor force. Write a brief summary of the picture of our nation's workforce. You discover their average age, race, gender, educational level, etc. Basically what you're doing is you're painting a picture of this nation's workforce. Like it says, the age of the workforce, the races, the gender, educational level, experience, whatever is there, you need to discuss it, but you need to do so in a written fashion. I don't want these things listed out. I want you to write something out about what you find. And it should be at least a half a page, but no more than 1 page in length, and you can double space it. I'm not asking you to compose a great paper. I'm simply asking you, if someone were wanting to know, could you write out what the workforce looked like? Could you write a 1-page, basically, explanation of what you see there? So that's what I'm asking you to do. And then also you see a discussion question there as well. Let me know if you have any questions about your assignment, discussion question, or anything. Again, week 1 is still open for you guys to catch up with if you haven't been able to already. If anything pops up, let me know. Glad to help. Have a great week.